need a wheels kit which consists of 4 or 6 plastic discs, some nuts and bolts and a few bits of bicycle tube. To prevent the robot from slipping in the maze, each wheel should be at least about 8 mm wide, which can be achieved by using more than one disc to make the wheels. We use pieces of durable mountain bicycle tube as tires. It is a good idea to watch this video right through more than once before you tackle this job. The servo horn is a part that comes with a continuous rotation motor servos of your robot. It fits on the drive shaft of the servo motor and usually has 4 points. The first job is to use a small battery-powered handheld drill with a 3 mm bit to enlarge the small holes in the servo horn. Before you drill, hold the wheel discs up with the servo horns and check which holes to drill so you don't drill the wrong holes. Remember, your safety is your responsibility at all times. Do not use a mains powered drill to do this job as you risk injuring yourself. Now, you want to insert 4 20 mm long screws into the servo horn and place the discs on the servo horn and line everything up. Use flat washers to protect the plastic parts and make sure you have a spring lock washer under each nut to prevent your wheels from coming loose with the vibration of the robot. Before you tighten up the screws, you will want to roll the wheel on the table to make sure everything lines up nicely. Tapping the wheel gently on all sides to make sure the discs are concentric with each other will prevent uneven wear on the tires. Once you are sure the wheels are perfectly lined up, it is time to tighten up the nuts and bolts. Before you fit the bicycle tube tires, you will want to spend some time stretching the rubber to warm it up and make the tires easier to get onto the wheels. Stretching the tires onto the wheels requires considerable finger strength. You may want to team up with a friend who can hold the wheel while you stretch the rubber over the wheel. If you are struggling, ask someone with really strong hands to help. Once you get the tire onto the wheel, it is a good idea to spend some time pulling at the tire to line it up so it looks nice. If the tire is fitted carefully to the wheel and lined up nicely, there is less chance of the tire pulling off the wheel later on when the rubber stretches out a little.